Nowadays, we have a very new version of USB technology, and it is so much better from the previous technologies. We are talking about Universal Serial Bus Type C. It is very new and it is up and coming with every devices, and it is the future. And it is so much better from the previous versions. Let's understand about what is USB Type C and why it is so much better with the previous versions. It is expected to become the new industry standard, a new format. You will have a USB Type C port and cable in every device very soon. It is backward compatible to USB 2.0 and 3.0 using a suitable adapter. Okay, so basically USB Type C is basically in a different shape. So that is why you cannot use the same port for connecting Type C, but with a suitable adapter that can take input from a USB-C Type C and transfer it to the older versions, convert it into the older versions, you can still connect the USB 2.0 and 3.0 using a suitable adapter, the adapter for it. It has 24 pin symmetrical connector, can fit either way round. So you don't have to flip the USB cable, USB connector if you are putting it in a wrong way. If you in a USB type C, you can fit it either way because it is in a symmetrical shape and it has 24 pins, 12 on one side, 12 on another side. It can fit either way. It is smaller and thinner than previous USB connectors. It is smaller and thinner, which means very less material will be used in the manufacturing of the USB Type C, so it will be cheaper. It can offer 100 watt equivalent to 20 volt power, means faster charging. So Universal Serial Bus Type C provides faster charging because it has the capacity to provide power up to 100 watt. That is why you are, because of USB Type C, you are watching in the ads of mobile phones that providing faster charging, 35 watt faster charging, 65 watt per faster charging with every new phone. Why are they having a faster charging technology? Because of the USB Type C. They are using the cable, USB Type C cable for faster charging. This is not the feature of a mobile phone that it can charge itself so fast, but it is the feature of the cable that is faster, the Type C cable. And the same wires that are charging the phone in so much speed, obviously they are also going to transfer data at a very high speed. What we know from the previous versions of the USB, they have a data transfer rate up to 5 GBs. Okay, 5 Gbps, gigabits per second, but Universal Serial Bus Type C provides up to 10 gigabits per second, which is double the speed of the previous versions. Can support 4K video quality. So you can use a USB Type C cable and transfer 4K video to any device. Like you don't need an HDMI cable now for viewing a 4K video on your TV or a computer or a video game. You don't need a HDMI cable to play video game. You can simply connect your device, your PS5 or any other device to a screen and transfer 4K video quality from that device to the screen. Okay, all of these things can happen using a USB Type C. This is how it looks like. Okay, one is the connector of two. On the right hand side you see the connector of USB 2.0, but on the left hand side what you see a USB Type C connector. Okay, look at the difference in size. Okay, this is how it is symmetrical. Okay, look at the size.